Get paid to review apps. Are you an app enthusiast looking for ways to make money? If so, have you ever considered getting paid to review apps? In this video, we will discuss the different ways you can get paid for reviewing apps. From freelance writing opportunities to participating in surveys or even joining a focus group, there are several options available for anyone wanting to make some extra cash by reviewing apps. We'll also provide tips on how to find the best app reviewing opportunities and maximize your earnings. Are you addicted to trying out new apps on your phone? Did you know that you can get paid to review them? It's true. The app industry is booming, and developers need feedback from real people before launching their products. That's where you come in. Many companies offer compensation for testing and reviewing their mobile applications. Some pay cash, while others offer gift cards or other rewards. You can even earn some extra pocket money by simply sharing your opinion on the latest gaming app or productivity tool. Plus, it's a great way to stay up to date with the newest trends in technology. To get started, all you need is a smartphone or tablet and an internet connection. There are several websites and apps that connect app developers with reviewers. You'll be asked to download the app, use it for a certain period of time, and then provide detailed feedback on its functionality and user experience. Click the link in the description below to get paid to review apps from the best Get Paid to Review Apps resources now and start making real money online.